In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to crochet 6 petal flower with beads. Here how it looks in white color of yarn. As you can see, the center is decorated with beads. This flower made of Angora yarn. Let's begin the work. For work you need a ball of yarn, crochet hook and beads. Begin the work by making a chain of 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by working a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. The ring is ready, let's begin the first round. Make a chain to bring up the yarn. Make 12 single crochet into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. I have done 12 single crochet, and to complete this round work a slip stitch into the single crochet of this round. Round is made. Let's begin the next round. It will be a round of petals. Make a chain and single crochet into the same stitch. Make a chain. Now take a bead, put it on the hook, take the working loop, pull it through, make a chain with bead. Then make treble crochet, yarn over twice and make treble crochet into the same stitch that we have already worked into. Now I will be making the trim. Make a chain, yarn over the hook, make half double crochet into the treble crochet, 7 unfinished double crochet stitches into the treble crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 'Let's make the 6th one again. 6 and 7th one. Then yarn over the hook, yarn over the hook, and I'm making unfinished double crochet around the chain stitch. Make unfinished double crochet into the same chain stitch. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Let's stop and look at our first petal. After we have done the trim, make triple treble crochet stitch, yarn over 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold all loops with my finger and make triple treble crochet stitch into the next stitch. Make a chain of 2. 1, 2. Now I am making the trim around the triple treble crochet stitch. Make 9 unfinished double crochet stitches around the triple treble crochet stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Then half double crochet, not finish. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Then yarn over, pull through 2 loops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 times. Make a chain. Work a slip stitch into the chain stitch on the beginning of this row. First one, and make the second one. Make the third one, the fourth one, 5, 6, 7th one, 8, 9, and the 10th one I'm making into the half double crochet. Single crochet into the next stitch of the previous row. Let's begin the second petal. The first petal is made. Let's begin the second one. Make a chain, take a bead, put it on the hook, make a chain with bead, Then treble crochet into the same stitch that we have already single crochet made into, chain, half double crochet, and so on. Let's look at our first petal. This petal has 2 layers. This is the first layer, and this is the second one. In total it should be 6 of them. Here how it looks when you will ready. You should continue by yourself. Continue working in this way till the end of this round. After we have done all 6 petals, let's complete this round together. Here are our trims. Insert the hook into the trims like this by working a slip stitch. Round is made. You can cut off the yarn. The flower is ready. Let's look at our flower. I remind you, each petal has 2 layers. This is front side and this is back. If you wish the center of the flower, you can decorate with bead. Now I show you other flower made of other color of yarn. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharronknitting.com. This one I made of Angora yarn. Thanks for watching.